As the first light rises over the horizon, so begins a new chapter for Artmatrix Manufacturing. A commitment not only to innovation, but to a more sustainable tomorrow. Driven by purpose and responsibility, Artmatrix embarked on a journey to transform sunlight into opportunity, reimagining our manufacturing facility through renewable energy. Step by step, beam by beam, progress took shape. Across the factory rooftop and car park, infrastructure was carefully installed to support a cleaner source of power. Spanning the rooftop of our facility, every solar panel installed represents more than energy generation. It reflects our commitment to responsible manufacturing and long-term resilience. Even our car park found new purpose, transformed into a solar canopy, where clean energy meets practical design, maximizing every available space. What began as an idea gradually became reality. A system designed to generate clean electricity, reduce emissions, and power a more sustainable future. Today, Artmatrix stands stronger, brighter, and more prepared for tomorrow. Through solar energy, we are reducing our carbon footprint, generating clean power, and advancing our ESG commitment, one ray of sunlight at a time.